Hey everybody, I'm going to talk to you today about simplifying algebraic expressions when we're multiplying them together. Now, when we multiply these two expressions, what we get when we multiply fractions, we multiply the two top numbers together, we multiply the two bottom numbers together. But what makes these questions a lot easier is if we can factorize any of the expressions on top or on the bottom and then get a cancellation which will help us to simplify the expression. Now, if we look here closely, I can see that the 3 divides into the 6. I'm going to do that later on in the question. But I'm also looking at these two expressions here, and I notice that I can factorize both of these. And I'm going to look to see if I can cancel any more terms out. So let's start by factorizing the expressions. So what I'm going to get on the top, I can see that x comes out as a factor. So that's going to be x times x minus 2. And if I do a quick check, to see do I get the same expression, x times x squared, x times minus 2 minus 2x, that's fine. So I'm going to multiply that by 6 divided by, and it's going to be 3 multiplied by, now I'm going to look to factorize this expression. So I want two numbers that add to plus 2 and multiply to minus 8. So if I set up my factorization, I'm going to write my two brackets. That's going to give me my x squared term when I multiply these two together. And the two numbers that I need that add to plus 2 and multiply to minus 8 are plus 4 and minus 2. Now quickly check back just to make sure that these two are the same. I get x squared, which is fine. 4x minus 2x is plus 2x, that's fine. And 4 times minus 2 gives me minus 8. Now, because at this stage I'm multiplying everything across the top of my fraction, I'm multiplying everything across the bottom here and here, I can now cancel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for things to cancel here. So I can see straight away that I've got an x minus 2, both on the top and on the bottom. I've also got a 3, which divides into the 6 twice. So what does that leave me with? I can't see anything else to cancel at the moment. I don't have any x plus 4 terms on the top here. So let's simplify now. Let's see what I'm left with. So on the top I've got x multiplied by 2. So that gives me 2x divided by, and on the bottom I'm left with x plus 4. So that simplifies to 2x divided by x plus 4.